Hello everyone, welcome to your virtual instructor. So today we are going to talk about transit gateway. So transit gateway is very important component when it comes to AWS networks. So it was introduced by AWS in November 2018 to overcome some of the shortcomings or limitations which were faced by the customers. And also with the help of the transit gateway, you can connect your on-premises network via direct connect or via site-to-site connection using the customer gateway. So here is one scenario where we are connecting multiple VPCs without transit gateway. So you can see we need a connection from A to B, A to C, and so on. This network becomes quite complicated. So this is the general formula for the n number of VPCs. So for 6 VPCs, we will be requiring 15 peering connections. Your network further grows and your VPCs will increase, then it will become more complex. So here is the same number of VPCs we are connecting with the help of transit gateway. And you can see the number of the connections on the network diagram is looking quite elegant and simpler to understand. Here transit gateway is acting as a hub and A can communicate to B or to F or other VPCs, and same is the case with other VPCs. They can communicate with each other in the network. And also with the help of the transit gateway, you can limit your communications with other VPCs. Suppose you don't want to establish a connectivity between A and B, but you want to establish a connectivity of A with other VPC, you can also do that with the help of the transit gateway. We are going to see this in the future lectures. Connecting multiple VPCs to on-premises network. So here we have multiple set of VPCs which are connected to the customer on-premises network via customer gateway and one transit gateway. Again, you can see the architecture looks quite simpler to understand. Here we are using transit gateway to connect the multiple VPCs as well as the on-premises customer network using the VPN connection, and also connecting to one more on-premises network using the AWS Direct Connect. Connecting VPC in different regions using transit gateway. So here, as you can see, like we have multiple VPCs in two different regions and we are connecting them via the use of two transit gateway and establishing a peering connection between two transit gateways. So we are going to see this scenario in the future lab as well. What is the cost of transit gateway? So you will be charged for the number of connections that you make to the transit gateway on the hourly basis. And also you will be charged for the amount of traffic that flows through AWS transit gateway. And price differs for different geographical regions. So if you see, this is the price for the Asia Pacific region for the Mumbai. But if you see US East North Virginia region, then you will see a lesser pricing when it comes to the AWS Transit Gateway attachment. So let's talk about today's lab. So in today's lab, we are going to talk about connecting two VPCs in the same region with the help of Transit Gateway. So here we'll be deploying two VPCs. One will be 01 and one will be 02, and we'll be having two EC2 machines in 01, and one will be the public and one will be the private. And in VPC 02, we will be deploying one private machine, and from its security group, we will create a security rule where we will be allowing the traffic from VPC 01 side range. After this, we will be deploying one transit gateway and also creating two transit gateway attachment. Transit gateway attachment 01 will be for the VPC 01 and transit gateway attachment 02 will be for VPC 02. After that, we will have to modify the route tables of each VPCs. After this, we will be doing SSH to the public EC2 machine using the public IP, and then we'll try to establish a connectivity with EC2 machine in the 02 network using the private IP. So let's jump in our lab.